Okay. Something in your life has expired. Said the fridge right next to me. And the fridge wants to speak to us a little bit more. So I'm gonna go get out of the way, and let the fridge channel through me. So let's enjoy. Dear fridge, tell us more. There comes this moment in your life when you have to open the fridge door and become conscious of the fact that some things in the fridge, inside the fridge, have expired. Perhaps already a long time ago. And you just have to open the fridge door and take a look at the situation as it is and do something about it. Sometimes you just have to take a look at your subconscious mind. Your old ways of acting. Your internal world. And see what has expired. And perhaps you have opened the door many times and you have kind of been aware of the fact that some food is old. Some food has already expired. Some thoughts, some ways of acting have expired as they're no longer aligned with your radically soul-aligned dream life. But you have kind of dismissed it. Taking a look at the inner world. Maybe you have been like, hey, okay, later. Let's take a look at this later. Because I know that it might stink if I take out the expired food now. If I take a look at those thoughts, actions that are no longer aligned with the life that I desire to live from now on, it might stink. But hey, now the fridge is inviting us to take a look at what's inside of it. What is going on in the subconscious mind? Or what is going on in your internal world? What is no longer aligned with the life you want to create and live from now on? What is not aligned with your new self? You know, your new dream self that you want to embody from this moment onwards. What needs to be removed from the fridge, from your inner world, so that there is space for the new thoughts and for the new actions to pour into your present moment. Okay. That kind of a message. I just opened my own fridge and there were some things that had expired way too long ago, and I had kind of put doing that, removing those things from my fridge to the side. Oh, later. Not yet. I am aware of you, dear expired foods, but not yet. I don't have time right now. I have to live my current life. But I did it. I did what the fridge guided me to do. And now I'm gonna take a look at my thoughts, my actions, my inner world, and do the same with that. Would you love to do that with me? Even if it's just one thought, one action that you desire to remove from your inner world, one pattern of acting or thinking, or multiple, if you go hardcore. Are you in? Would you love to do this with me? What the fridge guided us to do. When was the last time you received a message from a fridge? Hey, I'm honored. I'm so honored that the fridge wanted to talk to us today. So, okay. Are you up for removing what no longer is aligned with what you now want to embody? And hey, what is one new pattern of thinking and or acting that you want to practice today? Perhaps now. Okay. If you want to share anything in the comments, you can always do so. I'm gonna go and grab some food now because it looks like it's time to eat. I'm tuning into my inner world, how I feel. It truly is time to eat because I'm hungry. And I'm so happy to open that fridge door right now, as I did the inner work on that fridge earlier today. I'm so happy that I took a look at the inner world of the fridge. And now, when I open the fridge, it's fully aligned. There are only new things. Fresh food, fresh thoughts, fresh actions that I desire to experience now, that I desire to eat, that I desire to keep present in my reality.